Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 14 mobile only way. Start by switching controls to manual, then tweak camera height and sensitivity so you can see and react faster. Practice basic passes and through balls in training to build rhythm. Focus on timing when shooting rather than mashing buttons. Use short bursts of sprint and conserve stamina for key moments. Play with patience and learn opponent tendencies over matches. Warm up your defending by using jockey to shadow attackers while you wait for the right tackle window. Contain when outnumbered and avoid reckless challenges that leave your defense exposed. Stay patient and cut passing lanes, using manual player switch to control the nearest defender. Use quick standing tackles near the ball and slide only in desperate situations. Winning the ball cleanly sets you up for fast counter-attacks and safer possession. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof containers for easy meal prep after long gaming sessions. They keep snacks fresh and cleanup simple. It feels like leveling up real life, just like upgrading your team roster. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Create chances by combining short passes and smart movement to pull defenders out of position. Use 1 or 2 skill moves to beat a marker at the right moment, not as a default trick. When you reach the flank, overlap with a fullback and deliver accurate crosses into the box for tap-ins. Mix through balls with patient build-up and look for late runs into the 6-yard area to convert high percentage chances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.